One of my favorite features about this house is this wet bar.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. I'm here with my right-hand man, Shane Chastain. We are at one of the most beautiful manufactured housing communities in Moreno Valley. They got a beautiful clubhouse, swimming pool, and so much more. We're going to be taking you through a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom mobile home. Shane, why don't you tell them what to expect?
So a few of the features that I really like about this house. Right behind us is the back porch that overlooks this beautiful pond. You get the sound of the creek, and there's a lot of other great things in this house that I want to share with you. Let's go take a look.
This newly renovated mobile home is very unique. It's got beautiful views, 2 large porches. It's been completely renovated with a lot of upgraded features, including new tubs, showers, countertops, flooring, and so much more. Let's go take a look.
One of my favorite things about this house is this large, spacious living area, which brings in natural light from these large windows. We have lots of blank wall space, perfect for that entertainment center, that couch, that family portrait, or that big screen television. One of the values to this living room is this built-in hutch, additional cabinet space, and it also has an option for lighting or non-lighting. One of my favorite features about this living room is what's behind this window is one of the best views this entire park has to offer. So over here we have our brand new refurbished kitchen. It comes with white hardwood cabinets, brand new countertop. We have Whirlpool black appliances that will be brand new, refrigerator, oven range, and there is no shortage of cabinet space, as you can see here. Pots, pans, dishes, glass, and silverware. You definitely have a spot for all your kitchen needs and utilities. Like we had said earlier, this home is being renovated, and with the renovation does come brand new Whirlpool appliances in a black oven range and a black refrigerator. Both of these appliances will be installed into the kitchen within the next couple of days. One of my favorite features about this house is this wet bar. Throw a couple bar stools up. You got your wine rack built in. You got a hutch over here to display your whiskeys. Comes with a sink. Perfect cabinetry for your wine glasses, your cocktail mixers, and this back glass really opens this wet bar up as well. Here we have a good sized master bedroom with a good sized walk-in closet with a shoe rack. I would estimate the closet to be about 6 feet by 6 feet. So one of the great things that I love about this master bedroom is the refurbished master bathroom. It comes with 2 brand new sinks, 2 brand new faucets, a brand new medicine cabinet, brand new white hardwood cabinets, a sunken tub, and a brand new 40-inch glass enclosed walk-in shower. All brand new to this beautiful refurbished master bedroom. So what we have here, in a sense, is a second master bedroom. Big bedroom area in a refurbished bathroom, brand new countertops, brand new white hardwood cabinets, and a 60-inch glass enclosed walk-in shower.
As we promised at the beginning of the video, we were going to take you to the back porch that has a lovely view. We have no neighbors behind us, but we do have this beautiful pond, a lot of nature, animals, ducks, and so much more. This really is a beautiful oasis. If you love the California sunshine, you are going to love this home. If you want more information on this home or any other homes that we tour, make sure you leave a comment or call 866-720-2207.